Yeah, hello students, this is Ankit from Kailasha Foundation Fun and Learn portal. Today we will take a look at vocabulary and vocabulary. In this chapter we will see 7 different sections, 7 different things: synonyms, foreign words, connotations, antonyms, collocations, idioms and phrasal verbs. Okay. सिनोनिम्स मतलब हिंदी में इसको पर्यायवाची कहते हैं. सिमिलर मीनिंग्स, वर्ड्स विद सिमिलर मीनिंग्स, मिलते जुलते अर्थों वाले शब्द. फॉर एग्जांपल अनलॉफुल, अनलॉफुल इज सेम एज इलीगल एंड cheerful is similar to joyous and so on. Foreign words, for example sayonara is a very famous word. Those words which we easily use in English but are from foreign languages are foreign words. Okay. Connotations, we must take a closer look at connotations. वैसे शब्द जो अपने मीनिंग के अलावा कोई स्पेशल मीनिंग भी रिफ्लेक्ट करते हों. फॉर एग्जांपल होम एंड हाउस both refer to building. Okay, but home gives a different sense because home connotes warmth or family. Okay, and a house connotes only a building. So this is connotation. Antonyms, वर्ड्स विथ ऑपोजिट मीनिंग्स, यानी कि विपरीत अर्थों वाले शब्द, उल्टे अर्थों वाले शब्द. सो पुअर एंड रिच आर एंटोनिम्स. ओके. लीगल एंड इलीगल आर एंटोनिम्स. इजी एंड डिफिकल्ट आर एंटोनिम्स एंड सो ऑन. Collocations means fixed connections. For example, tea is connected with leaf. Wind के साथ ब्लो होता है और वाटर के साथ फ्लो होता है, ब्लड के साथ ब्लीड होता है. विंड ब्लो, वाटर फ्लो, ब्लड ब्लीड. ओके, तो ये चीज दिमाग में रखनी होती है कि ये कनेक्शंस फिक्स्ड होते हैं. ओके. इडियम्स, अ बेड ऑफ रोजेज, इसका बेड ऑफ रोजेज का मतलब गुलाबों का बिस्तर ही इसका मतलब नहीं होता है. इसका मीनिंग हो जाता है लग्जरियस लाइफ. ओके, और कुछ अच्छी जिंदगी. ठीक है. लायन शेयर का मतलब शेर का हिस्सा नहीं. लायन शेयर का मतलब मेजर पार्ट, अ बिग पार्ट, एक बड़ा टुकड़ा. ओके. सो सच ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड idioms. And phrasal verbs, you know these from your childhood. Look into, look after, take over and so on. A verb attached to a preposition very often it reflects a different meaning than usual. So such verbs are called phrasal verbs. Look into, look after, take over, these are phrasal verbs. Okay, so this is the classification of vocabulary basically, which we will be studying in subsequent classes. Today we will take a look at word roots, prefixes and suffixes. Word roots, prefixes and suffixes. Okay, now so let's see some word roots to start. AER or AERO, arrow, it means air. So any word including this would be related to air. For example, aeroplane, aerospace, aerial, okay. Another word root is anthrop. Anthrop means man, okay. So anthropology, philanthropy, misanthrope, all these are connected to man, a human. Now aeroplane is a vehicle which flies in air, okay. Aerospace means air in the space. Aerial, air related like ants, okay. Anthropology is the study of man. Philanthropy, phil, phil is phil, it is a prefix which means love, and so philanthropy is the love for mankind, love for man, love for humans. Miss is hate, okay. So hate for hater of mankind, someone who is a misanthrope is a hater of mankind, okay. So this word root means air and this means man. Then a few are very common to you already know. For example, cardio, heart, okay, and opticos, that is related to eye, and ego, that is related to self. Bio, that is related to life, okay. Biblio, that is related to book, etc. So this is the role what word roots play. If these word roots are in a word, then the word must be related to these terms. For example, cent means 100, cardiology, cardiologist, egoist, egotist, egocentric, all these words are related to self, selfishness, etc. Biology is the study of life. Bibliography, okay. Optical, optometrist, percent, percentage, centesimal. So derm is a word root which means skin, and so on. The entire word root list will be provided by us in subsequent lectures. This lecture is just to introduce the meaning of word roots. So word roots connect the word with that particular term, okay. Now take a look at prefixes. We have already seen a few prefixes like till, and miss or misan. It means love and it means hate. Let's take a look at other prefixes also. For example, circum. Circum means around, okay. Ambi, it means both. Okay, mono means one, and bi means two, etc. And let us take a look at suffixes now. These are the prefixes. These are the parts of words which connect at the start of the word, and the parts which connect at the end of the word are called suffixes. For example, ism, ism, it is belief or faith or doctrine or policy, policy or belief. Okay, logi, or the word root is logos, is the science of or the study of or science of. Okay, ship, for example, friendship, craftsmanship, etc. It is state of, state of or manner. Okay, so a few word roots. Let me introduce a few more word roots. GYN, it means woman or female. GAMOS, it means marriage. Genos means marriage. So we can now take a look at a few examples like polygamy, monogamy, egoist, bigamy, misogynist, etc. This is the culture of or tradition of multiple marriages. Okay, monogamy, only one marriage. Tradition of only one marriage. Mono means one and genos means marriage. So tradition of only one wedding. Okay. Egoist is someone who is a little selfish. One who is selfish. Okay. Bigamy, illegal plurality of marriages. Bi, that is two, gamos, that is marriage. So plural marriages, illegal plurality of marriages. and misogynist, GYM, that is women, misogyn, that is hate, hatred. So one who hates women. Okay, so this is a vocabulary session for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any feedback, please send the feedback on WhatsApp 829-4600 829. That is my WhatsApp number. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to give your feedback so that we can improve more and more to deliver you in the best manner. Kailasha Foundation Fund and Learn portal is teaching online for free for last few months. So please support and please keep sharing. Thank you so much. Thanks for learning.